Imagine trying to fish without any lighting at night. Or better yet, struggling to find your way to the restroom because it's just so dark. Well, that's a reality for visitors at Burns Point Park due to some electrical issues. I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Mary Parish reporter, with a look at what caused those issues and what's being done to fix them.
Seeing adequate lighting for residents that actually reside here, that come camping here, or expressing concern to me as well about the lighting, so I felt that I should come forward.
Marcus Como, frequent visitor of Burns Point, tells me the lighting issues began after Hurricane Francine left areas of the park with storm damage.
So we walk up here, we're looking at the pole next to the boat launch area. Without the adequate lighting at the boat launch, it really makes it difficult for boaters and people that come out and hunt and fish to launch their boat safely.
Marcus tells me that while he was able to deal with the lack of lighting in the boat launch area, a few weeks ago he discovered another issue that he couldn't ignore.
While needing to use the restroom, I noticed there was lack of lighting and no lighting. You have your restrooms and wash areas, which there's no lighting at all, which raises a major concern for privacy.
I spoke to the director of Public Works for the parish, John Booker Davis, who tells me Public Works has been in the process of fixing recreational areas such as parks that may have been impacted by Hurricane Francine.
We have some multi breakers and some stuff on order that we have to change out in the bathhouse. That was damaged during the storm.
John says he's aware of the concerns and has been working with CLECO and electricians for the parish to restore power to the entirety of the park.
We're under construction, we're nipping it in the bud, just bit by bit, piece by piece, just to make sure everything is up and running.
Now that you do know that there are some things that are being done to address these issues, what's your reaction to that?
I'm happy, and I'm sure that the residents here are happy as well. Future tourism will definitely pick up.
John tells me repairs are expected to be completed in early spring of 2025. Now, I covered this story because Marcus actually reached out to me, and you can do the same. If you have a story idea, reach out to me using the information on your screen. In Burns Point, I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Mary Parish reporter with KATC TV3.